Welcome back to the Western Southern YouTube channel. It's almost Christmas, so we're going to do a quick gift guide. We're going to make this quick, so let's jump right in. Okay, starting with a few stocking stuffers. Every year I buy a pair of these cheap leather gloves. Sherpa lining on the inside. They're like $12. They're great. A Scrench Chainsaw tool, good stocking stuffer, 12 bucks. This one's made by Oregon. Any chainsaw stuff made by Oregon is pretty decent. A little inspection light's a great thing to have. This one's made by Coast. So it's called an inspection light because the beam is very, very focused. So you can shine it on something up close, like on a car. Okay, I'll put a picture up of these things called Tippet Threaders. They're for getting the fishing line and really small eyes of hooks. I used them last summer. Man, I got to get some. Tippet Threaders are a great gift for fly fishermen that you know. Okay, one more stocking stuffer. These really lightweight First Lite gloves. They're made of wool. They're very thin. When the fingers wear out, you just cut the fingers off, then you got fingerless gloves. First Lite. Okay, I always rant and rave about these little slippers from Sundance Leather Company out of Colorado. Like the best slippers in the world. Shearling wool. Sundance leather. Good sole on the bottom. I bought this battery-powered Dewalt Shop Vac, and man, have I used this thing so many times. It's battery-powered, and it can plug in. It's got one of these. It's got this guy. It's got a really long hose. I got a big 4 amp hour battery on it, but I used a 1.5 amp hour on it, and it worked great too. All right, these Amazon pliers. They come in a 3-pack. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon. They're like the Nippex pliers, but they're obviously a fraction of the price. Cool little gift. And they're 3-pack. Man, these things are sweet. A Tipton Gun Vise for your hunter that misses deer. All right, this is a Depstech bore scope. My brother bought one of these, and then he bought my dad one, and then it was so cool. I was like, I gotta get one. It's for like looking down in holes. It's got a little camera on the end. You can look inside your engine. This one I think is 40 or 50 bucks. You use an app on your phone to view it. So one of these days I'll make some YouTube videos with some footage. Depstech bore scope, really cool. All right, last but not least, a Yeti bucket, a 5-gallon bucket that doesn't break, that lasts forever. I keep a cam strap wrapped around mine. Man, I use this thing so much, it's unbelievable. This thing's virtually indestructible, and I've left a wake of destroyed 5-gallon buckets in my path across the country over the last many years. All right, folks, that's it. Merry Christmas. Hit like and subscribe.